If you've encountered the message, "You reached the request limit on Cash App," it can be frustrating and disrupt your financial flow. The Cash App allows users to send, receive, and even request money, but like any other financial tool, it has its limits to ensure security and prevent misuse. In this straightforward guide, we'll explore how to fix the Cash App "You reached the request limit" issue, providing you with the steps you need to get back to seamless transactions. Step 1. Understand Cash App limits. Before diving into the solution, it's essential to understand the limits imposed by Cash App. For a basic unverified account, you're limited to requesting $1,000 per month. If you've hit this ceiling, it's no surprise you're seeing the message. Fortunately, increasing your limits is both possible and simple. Step 2. Verify your Cash App account. The most straightforward way to resolve the "You reached the request limit" issue is by verifying your Cash App account. Open the app, navigate to the profile icon, and select Personal. Here, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Provide your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once verified, your sending and receiving limits will increase substantially, allowing for broader usage of the app. Step 3. Contact Cash App support. Sometimes, even after verification, you may encounter issues. If you're still receiving the "You reached the request limit" message, it might be time to contact Cash App support. Tap the profile icon, scroll down, and choose Cash Support. From here, you can explain your issue and request assistance to resolve any unusual restrictions on your account. Step 4. Check for app updates. Ensure your Cash App is up to date. Sometimes bugs or outdated versions can cause functionality issues. Go to your device's app store and check for update. Keeping the app up to date ensures you benefit from the latest bug fixes and feature enhancements, reducing the likelihood of encountering limit issues. Step 5. Consider alternative payment methods while resolving this issue on Cash App. Services like Venmo, PayPal, or even a direct bank transfer can act as temporary solutions until you're back in full swing on Cash App. Experiencing the "You reached the request limit" on Cash App doesn't have to be a major hindrance. By understanding your account limit, verifying your account, contacting support, checking for app updates, and considering alternative payment methods, you can continue managing your finances smoothly. Implement these steps to ensure you're never strapped by request limits again and can maximize your Cash App experience with ease. Happy transacting.